everyone, it's Don. It is Tuesday, December 19th at about 11:45. We hope you're having a good day. The markets continue to push higher in a momentous move here. When did this move start? Let me show you. October 30th. October 30th is when we got our first indication from the Nicholas timing model that the markets wanted to go long. Interestingly enough, on the 30th, the VIX was still long, so we were cautious. We had a little trepidation, you might say. But the very next day, the VIX went short, and that confirmed the signal that it was time to get long the markets, and at minimum, to close out shorts. Here we are. We never know when the signal comes in. Nobody ever knows how long it's going to be there. This is a daily signal, though. It's unusual for it to change from one day to the next. Now, you're probably looking at the VIX component. Since October 31st, there have been 2 to 3 times when the VIX has done just what it did last night for our members. The VIX actually went long, and nobody is paying attention, but we are. What does that mean? When we have the markets all long on Nicholas and the VIX goes long, it's a caution flag. It doesn't mean that we're going to crash. It doesn't mean that the markets are even going to pull back. They may not. But it is a caution. What we know from this model is that within 72 hours of last night's signal, one of two things is going to happen. The VIX, at the end of the day, next 2 days, is going to reverse and go short, confirming the long signal, as it did 2 to 3 times earlier over the last 60 some odd days. Or the VIX is going to stay long, the markets are going to go short. And if that happens, then our members at minimum will take much of their long trades off. Everyone else will be chasing the noise, the news, the narratives. The Fed is this, the Fed is that, they're cutting rates. It's all noise to us. We trade, we track money flow. If you don't want to be an intraday trader, you can be, as Nicholas has done here, you can swing trade. You want to be an investor? That's fine. You can use these tools on a weekly basis, monthly basis, and slow your trading down. But presumably, at some point, even an investor, even Warren Buffett, wants to take his profit. How will you know when? Are you going to learn then? Are you going to make a decision based on some podcast, some news story? Or if you make it just on the money, you'll be trading greed and fear, and you could get caught. I am Bagadon. This is StockMarketCaddy.com. We invite you to visit our website. We invite you to send us your email questions. We invite you to call any day, 813-758-8263. By the way, I almost forgot to mention, Nicholas had a person taken a mini contract in each of these 4 markets. They would be up over $117,000. If they had used micros, be about $17,000. If they had done 10 minis, about $1.1 million. We're ready when you are. Let us know.